Well, remorse and regret in a Fresno County courtroom. The man convicted of murder for a deadly DUI crash learned his sentence today, but not before hearing from the victim's sister and sharing his own words with the judge. Good afternoon. I'm Graciela Moreno.
And I'm Dale Yarong. Joey Barron could now spend the rest of his life in prison for that deadly DUI crash. Action News reporter Gabe Ferris was in the courtroom as the judge heard from the victim's family and then Barron himself. Gabe.
Well, Dale and Graciela, it was a striking moment today as Joey Barron spoke up in court and took full responsibility for his actions. But as the judge said himself, Barron's total apology doesn't do anything to bring the victim back. The family's heartache on full display. A sister's heartbreak filling a Fresno County courtroom Tuesday. Juliet Nucho remembering Andres Adrian Romero.
We lost my brother, Andres Adrian Romero, to an avoidable, horrific, fatal car crash.
As Nucho spoke, her brother's killer looked on. Joey Barron will now spend up to life in prison for murder. Prosecutors say Barron was driving drunk in January 2021 when he crashed on Highway 168 near the Shields off-ramp in central Fresno. Romero was a passenger in Barron's car and died just 1 month after turning 30.
There's no more birthdays to share and celebrate with him. No more gifts to give to him. No more singing songs in the car and going to the movies.
Court records reveal Barron's blood alcohol was 4 times the legal limit. He didn't even have a valid driver's license. Barron's record includes a slew of criminal and traffic cases dating back 15 years. In 2016, prosecutors charged him with DUI. That case was still ongoing when the 2021 crash happened.
The prior conviction of Mr. Barron, though the court recognizes that was some time ago, the blood alcohol there was significant.
As the judge prepared to sentence him, a final word from Barron, the convicted killer taking full responsibility in court.
My reckless behavior is inexcusable, and I deeply regret the suffering that I've caused. The choice that I made affected innumerable people. The consequences are lasting from generation to generation.
The admission and apology made for a rare moment, the judge commenting on Barron's mea culpa.
Mr. Barron's letter to me seemed very sincere. It's rare that the court hears an individual admit absolute culpability without any excuses.
Well, the judge took note of the letter. It ultimately wasn't enough to convince him to hand down probation. Joey Barron will now serve the maximum sentence allowed by state law, 15 years to life at Wasco State Prison. Dale.
Hey, Central California, stay up to date with all the latest news and weather. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to ABC 30 Action News.